You see this gold? It might look thin, but it hides a deadly truth. In Peru's Amazon, gold is extracted using something incredibly toxic, mercury. Small-scale miners mix mercury with soil to bind with gold. Then they burn it off, releasing mercury vapor into the air and water. This contaminates rivers, fishes, and soil permanently. Just 1 gram of mercury can pollute a lake for years. In fact, over 180 tons of mercury are dumped in Peru's Amazon each year, poisoning one of the world's richest ecosystems. This is just the beginning. The gold may be real, but so is the cost. Understanding how it's mined is the first step to demanding change.